In recent weeks, there has been a wave of leaks and eager anticipation regarding DJI's upcoming Mini 4 Pro and its launch date, as the leaked images of a retail box for the DJI Mini 4 Pro provide a glimpse into the drone's key features and specifications. So will the DJI Mini 4 Pro be worth your money? Let's find out. Before we start the discussion, here is the spec-wise comparison between DJI Mini 4 Pro and other Mini 3 drones. Pause the video to take in all the information. Now let's start by analyzing the Mini 4 Pro's design. It is placed to build upon DJI's reputation for pushing the boundaries of what sub-250-gram drones can achieve. As we already know, it'll introduce omnidirectional obstacle sensing to the already acclaimed Mini series. The current top-of-the-line Mini 3 Pro only features obstacle avoidance systems for forward, backward, and downward directions, enabling protection from obstacles in these directions. Therefore, the Mini 4 Pro would mark the first variant of an ultra-light DJI drone providing obstacle sensing in all directions, enhancing safety during flights.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
The DJI Mini 4 Pro and DJI Mini 3 Pro are both lightweight drones, each weighing less than 249 grams, which exempts them from registration in many countries. In terms of camera quality, the Mini 4 Pro holds an edge with its wide-angle camera equipped with a larger CMOS sensor of 1 and 1.3 inch, translating into superior image quality and impressive low-light performance. It takes videography to the next level with 4K video at 60 FPS, HDR capabilities, and an exceptional 4K slow motion mode at 100 FPS. On the other hand, the Mini 3 Pro offers 4K video at 60 FPS and 1080p at 120 FPS for slower motion, making it a solid choice, but falling slightly behind its slow motion capabilities. When it comes to color profiles, the Mini 4 Pro provides advanced options with 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG, offering users greater control over color grading. In the obstacle detection department, the Mini 4 Pro's omnidirectional obstacle detection system is a standout feature, coupled with APAS 5.0, representing an advanced level of obstacle avoidance. In contrast, the Mini 3 Pro also has obstacle detection, but at a slightly lower level, featuring APAS 4.0 and covering front, rear, and bottom obstacles. In terms of maximum range, the Mini 4 Pro offers an impressive range of up to 20 kilometers with DJI 04, giving users more extensive exploration capabilities. Meanwhile, the Mini 3 Pro has a respectable maximum range of up to 12 kilometers with DJI 03, which, while still impressive, falls short of the Mini 4 Pro's range. Both drones support live signals at 1080p, ensuring real-time monitoring during flights. Depending on your specific needs and preferences, these drones offer distinct advantages. But the DJI Mini 4 Pro excels in camera capabilities and obstacle detection. As per the source, the pricing for the upcoming model will be structured as follows: $857 for the standard version, $1,068 for the drone bundled with the DJI RC2, and $1,211 for the Fly More combo, which includes the RC2. DJI has a track record of maintaining affordable prices for micro drones, which makes us optimistic about the pricing of this drone. Now, there's another version, DJI Mini 4, which is rumored to hit the market too, with an even more trimmed down price. The primary upgrade in the DJI Mini 4 is centered around its camera, which is a significant improvement over its predecessor, the DJI Mini 3. The Mini 4 features a larger 2-inch CMOS sensor with an f1.7 aperture, resulting in sharper and more detailed images. It boasts an impressive 48-megapixel resolution, enabling it to capture videos at up to 4.1K resolution at 60 FPS. In contrast, the DJI Mini 3 had a 12-megapixel camera and could only record video at 4K 30 FPS using a smaller 1 and 1.3-inch CMOS sensor. While some may question the inclusion of a larger sensor in a drone at this price point, it addresses a long-standing demand from users. Additionally, the Mini 4 offers exceptional light sensitivity, ranging from 100 to 6400, ensuring clear image capture even in low light conditions. Another notable feature is the Mini 4's 3-axis stabilization, which guarantees smoother footage and reduces the risk of blurry images, a significant improvement over the DJI Mini 3, which lacked proper stabilization, making it challenging to capture smooth videos. Furthermore, the DJI Mini 4 boasts a longer hover time of up to 38 minutes and a total flight time of up to 40 minutes, a substantial enhancement compared to the DJI Mini 3's 38 or 51-minute flight time when switching modes. Additionally, it offers an impressive maximum flight distance of 22 kilometers or 13.6 miles, significantly surpassing the DJI Mini 3's OcuSync 2.0 image transmission range of 10 kilometers. The Mini 4's operational temperature range of -10 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius makes it suitable for a broader range of environments. Moreover, the drone's battery capacity has been increased to 2750 mAh, providing extended flight time compared to the DJI Mini 3. These upgrades collectively make the DJI Mini 4 a formidable choice for drone enthusiasts, offering enhanced camera capabilities, stability, and performance. So what are your thoughts on this DJI Mini 4 Pro? Do you like it better than the Mini Pro 3? Share your thoughts in the comments section below.